I might be living your American dream, but I'm nowhere near where my dream is, dog. I got aspirations. I got big dreams.
You guys might be a little bit, just a slight bit crooked, but I don't know how to, let me see if I can, let me see, yeah, it's not working, but I think this is okay. So today is Monday, the 18th, oh my God, y'all, Thanksgiving is next week. So I have a lot to do this week. A sponsorship video today. I haven't been, well, I was asleep. I did get sleep. I slept for about 3 hours. I went to bed at 3 in the morning, just couldn't sleep. And when I can't sleep, I don't think of it as like a bad thing. I get up and read my Bible, pray, write down any ideas I have, anything I need for the house. I really be grateful when I can't sleep, even though I can't sleep. And it's not normal where I can't fall asleep. I know it was because I was off. I am off today, so I was just like, okay. So I was watching a YouTuber's interview. His podcast is called, his YouTube channel is called X, and he goes, him and his son and their team goes to college campuses and just speak the word and answer any questions the youth may have about God, even if they grew up not believing or whatever. He answers questions and just talks about it. To me, his name is Cliffy, and I think his son's name is Stuart. I'll leave their channel below. Their channel and Pastor Philip is like the people who talk about God, where I can really like understand it when I'm reading my Bible. So yeah, I'm probably gonna read my Bible now since I have so much time. I'm not gonna do anything before I read my Bible actually. So I have to do this review, y'all. I'm so excited.
Thank you, Maniology, for sponsoring this portion of the video. So you guys, look at my daughter nails. They look so cute. So they sent over everything in the kit, nail polishes. They sent over all of 3 different stamping plates with a variety of designs on each of them. You guys can't even layer the designs, which were so cool. I saw that on TikTok. They sent over a manual, the ice cube stamper, and the scrape card. So you're just gonna put the nail polish at the top and use the scrape card and spread out the polish onto the stamp, and then you're just gonna roll the cube stamper over that color. You guys can see it's on there. Then I'm just gonna roll it over my daughter's nails. Oh my God, y'all, it's so cute. They have so many designs. I use acetone to clean the plate, and then I just did it another color. I'm gonna show you guys how you do it again. Just spread it over the top, lightly pull that color over the design, and roll that stamper over the design and roll it on the nail. It took me a while to get this, but you guys can see it looks so good. You can use the Nail Day 10 for 10% off your next order. I will be doing some designs for Christmas, New Year's, and Valentine's Day, so stay tuned for those videos. Go ahead and use that code. I do highly recommend it. Great for a gift as well.
So hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today is Thursday. Today's my middle sister's birthday. Happy birthday, girl, again. She's almost an old hag like me. She's up there. No, just playing. But today is my sister's birthday. I wish I was at home in my hometown, but I'm not. And it's snowing there. So right now I'm really happy I'm not, because and yeah, so next week is Thanksgiving, basically a week from today actually. So what I'm going to be doing this weekend and next week is, of course, prepping for Thanksgiving. Again, I have to do it all alone. So I got all of my stuff and all of my cards at grocery stores. Y'all, I tell y'all, I really plan my grocery shopping, so I'm ahead of the game. Got everything in my cars that I need. Tomorrow I'm just gonna go to Aldi's to get food for me and my daughter to eat just for a few days. Probably a pizza. I want some grapes. I always need fruit in the house. My mouth, like it, you know, my taste buds craves it a lot, which I'm happy about. So I need fruit. Ranch. I may get some carrots and cucumber for us to like snack on too. A pizza, some fries, some stuff to cook for breakfast. Something like a cute little, some sparkling water so I can make us like a cute little drink. And then I'm gonna have other juices and stuff I'm getting from the grocery store once I pick up my order, and my order is coming from HEB. So yeah, so I have everything that I'm gonna plan to cook. I am gonna record some of that and try to get that out. But if you guys don't know, I do edit my mom videos. I'll put her channel down below. So I edit her content as well, and it's been picking up and doing really good. So I gotta stay on top of that because I want to keep it rolling. So we have a plan on how we're gonna be recording and stuff like that. My mom is gonna do Vlogmas. I am not. I'm not doing Vlogmas, but my mom is gonna get on that train. So we already pre-recorded some videos. That's how we just gonna start off that first week, so we can be ahead of the game, because this is new for her and new for me as well. Editing every day. I am on a break right now at work. As you guys can see, I got on a hat and my workout outfit. I'm going to the gym today, and I'm going to the gym still every day next week, okay? I'm finna be eating too bad not to go to the gym. I'm gonna be eating too bad not to go to the gym. I did my nails. There are, do y'all see this red? It looks so good on my skin color. I did my nails, did my feet. I did my daughter's nails. I have to do my daughter's hair this weekend. She getting a sew-in, so I'm gonna do that. I'm so happy I invested in raw hair years ago, like, because I have hair in wigs, and I'm curling my wigs in V parts right now, because I don't really know how I'm gonna do my hair for Thanksgiving. I kind of got an idea. I think I'm gonna wear this wig, then I'm gonna curl. I think I'm probably gonna do that, but I always need my V parts on standby because I love them like so much. So I'm probably gonna wear this wig, glueless wig, curl it up really nice, and then while I'm cooking I can pin it up. Yeah, I can pin it up and be cute while I'm recording and stuff. Me and my daughter just gonna hang out. We probably go for some walks and see what other festive stuff is going on around us, but we focus on Thanksgiving because we ready to eat, girl. Hello. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today is Friday, and I just got through eating some pizza and a piece of baked chicken that I made. So I ate that, and I have like an hour and 30 minutes before I go on my lunch, and I was just talking to my mom. Some plans. I was just talking to my mom, and some plans that I have planned out for myself is for next year is crazy. Crazy how it's just about to happen. Y'all, it's crazy. Give me one moment. So I got this from Amico. Y'all, and I really like this lip gloss. So this is what I use to just get that oil off. See that? And then this, and then that. I don't really put more product on. I just pick up the oil. And then I'm going to apply this gloss. I think it looks really pretty with my sweater color. My mom also has on a gloss this color, a lipstick this color today. So yeah, just give my makeup a little bit more color because I don't have any. So yeah, that's what I got, I think. And right now I'm watching I Am Shelly, which I love her. I'm gonna finish my next hour and a half. And y'all, I say this all the time, but I'm gonna try to bring y'all to the grocery store with me. And we'll see. And then I gotta curl these wigs, because I'm still not done curling my wig for Thanksgiving. Okay, y'all, today is Monday. I am off of work today. I told y'all I was off. I did record some of me in the grocery store. Y'all, I got a lot. So I'm just gonna tell y'all what I got, and then I'm cooking Thursday, so you guys will see some stuff that I'm cooking. I got my ham, chicken, sugar, cornbread mix, cabbage, my milk, my cake mix. I got me a picture because I'm gonna make a mocktail. Oh y'all, let me show y'all these. So I got these glasses from a Dollar Tree, y'all. I will be back to get some plates, some glass plates, because I want glass. But these are so thick for $1.25. So I got 2 of these and I got 2 of these, and I'm gonna make me and my daughter like a really nice drink. I got some fruit. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this food up, y'all, because it's a lot. Okay, I got a lot going on. So just watch. Girl, then I went to go get me a ham and they gave me this for $2. Gave me what? And y'all, I've been using this for syrup. It's so much healthier. It's only 60 calories, even though I don't count calories. But it's organic, raw, blue agave nectar. And for syrup, it's really, really nice. I also use raw maple syrup for my syrup, but this is healthier. But it's so small, and this was like $6, I think. But it's so good. So I got this. So yeah, I gotta put this food up. Let me This is the best butter to me. And I don't use no other oil but this one because I don't fry chicken anymore. I haven't found the oil that has a lot of oil that I can fry me some chicken with yet. So I don't be frying no chicken, y'all. But this is the best butter. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a few days since I vlogged last, and today is the day before Thanksgiving. So I'm about to prep my food. Well, it's already been prepped, but I'm gonna put make my cake, cornbread, and then put my chicken for my dressing on and my ham. I already made my caramel for my cake. And then I'm going to do my yams maybe in the morning or later tonight. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna pop in and show you guys certain parts of the food. And yeah. Okay, we got action. So y'all, I'm just about to wind down. I've edited most of this vlog. Gonna add this clip and then I'll be done. I'm off tomorrow, and I think I'm just gonna rest tomorrow. I think I may put up a couple of videos on TikTok, but we did have feelings about like not being back home. It feels different, but not that different, because we're always me and her together, but this year we kind of was able to do some other things. So like drive around in a new area. I'm so proud of myself. I cooked all of my Thanksgiving food, like all of it. Nothing was bought, all of it was cooked. So proud of myself. I did so good. My mom helped, of course. TikTok helped, and my aunt. And I just think the spirit of my grandmother was over me, okay? So I just feel good about that. Like I said, yesterday we did have like feelings. I always talk to my daughter about her feelings, like, how do you feel? We're not at home. Are you okay? And she was fine. She would let me know if she wasn't fine. So yeah, and I'm thinking about taking a break from content, but I think I'm lying. So to myself, I just have a lot to edit. Today was such a good day. It was just so nice. We danced, we listened to music, we ate earlier today, took a huge nap, got up, just drove around town. It was such a good day. So I'm not posting anymore probably next week. I'm going to be focusing on getting my mom's vlogs for Vlogmas like up for the next 2 weeks, and then I'll come back and you guys will see me probably the second week of December. Yeah, because I'm done recording for all of the brands that I had to record. So I'm going to take a break for a week. And I'm not posting anything. I planned my year next year. All of my goals I have written down. And it's so crazy because this year, a lot of the stuff that I really wanted to do, I did. And the number one thing was move. I moved to a whole other state by myself with my daughter, and we were doing pretty good. Some stuff gonna happen with me and my job. I'm gonna have to go and get a few more, like some certificates to move up in tech, what I'm okay with, and I'll keep you guys posted on that once I do it. But my career in tech is moving along, which I wanted as well. So I'm happy about that. So I'm gonna be this is my plan. I'm probably gonna post in December, but I'm gonna post from the second week of December. And I'm just gonna take a break this first week because I'm really gonna be busy at work, honestly. So I'm gonna take a break the first week of December from all content, short form, everything. I'm gonna take a break. I recorded all of my sponsor content, but I just have to post that. I'll post that next week. Oh, so it's not gonna look like I'm taking a break. Yeah, it's probably not gonna look like I'm taking a break, but I don't have anything to record. I don't have anything to edit. I'm gonna make sure I edit all of my short form content for brands tomorrow, schedule that, and then I'll be done for the week. So yeah, and then I'll do a 6-month update as well on me living in Texas and give you guys like a 6-month update. And y'all, I've really been happy with how my content been looking. I've been happy with what I'm recording, how it looks. Like, I'm just happy with what my content looks like, okay? So that is it, you guys. Thank you guys for watching this week's video. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below, and I'll see you guys in about a week, but you may not be able to tell. Bye, guys.
It's what y'all been waiting for, ain't it? What people pay paper for, damn it. They can't stand it, they want